This session, we're going to discuss unit conversions for your inventory. So from my enterprise setup, we're going to go to inventory. Now again, if I want to pull up inventory real fast, I can go to my search box and just start typing the word inventory. So we have a section here called unit conversions. What unit conversions are is how you're going to label the product you have in inventory, how you buy and sell it. Buy and sell it. Now, most inventory is typically unit for unit. Buy a wiper blade, I sell a wiper blade. I buy a belt, I sell a belt. Liter for liter is a unit to unit. Quart to quart is. Gallon to gallon, feet to feet. These are just the labels that are being used. So when I do sell something on a work order, that's what it will say, feet instead of unit. Still a 1-for-1. So you're going to run into all kinds of different variations on how you buy and sell things. So you will have a set in here in a template. But if you need to add anything new, it's quite easy to do. All you simply have to do is come up here and you hit add at the top, and then you can create your own conversion. See, I might say I buy it by the drum, but sell it in 5-gallon container. So you can make anything you want here. So I'm buy, drum, sell, container. Call it whatever you like. So now I have a whole new conversion that I can apply to an inventory item. Let's go talk about how these are actually used. So as I'm entering inventory in the system, let's go pull a bit of inventory up here. Any type of product that I enter into the system will have a unit conversion. Okay, so think of it this way: how am I buying? How am I selling? So if it's a 1-for-1 ratio, my buy factor simply means it's 1-for-1. Every unit I buy contains 1 unit. The only time you ever have to alter this is if you're buying it one way and selling it a different way. If I come in here and I say I buy it by the box or the case, and I'm selling it by the unit, I must tell the system how many units are in that case. So if there's 6 units, then there you go. So what the system will do is automatically look at the pricing and say, here's your case price, here's your unit price, and you sell by the unit. So that's how unit conversions are utilized. You're going to have all kinds of variations that you may end up using, but I will say this: the vast majority will be unit to unit. The other thing you want to remember about this unit conversion when you're setting these inventory items up is once you set it with a conversion formula and a factor, and it goes out to the locations, that's the way that they will need to buy and sell it from that point forward. They can't change this in midstream. Once they start buying and selling, if they go to change it at any point at the location, it will skew the averages of your costs. So it'll be incorrect costs. So you want to be very careful with that. That's how unit conversions work.